So between 1 and 4, your child is in the sensitive period for wanting to help and make a family contribution. So we want to capitalize on that by teaching them how to set the table. So this is our Montessori placemat and place setting. This is made of silicone and very wipeable. And your child will know where the fork goes, where the spoon goes, and where the knife goes, as well as their cup and their plate. Around 2 and a half, many Montessori classrooms have something called folding practice. And small children, you might not realize, but they love to practice folding. And so we've included a napkin, organic cotton napkin, that has all of the dotted lines that a Montessori classroom folding cloth would have to help them practice learning where to fold. So they can learn to start to fold, and you can see it on both sides. They can learn to fold this way, and it's actually teaching them spatial relationships and geometry. So they're starting to get an understanding of how something bigger can fold up. And then we have real silverware for your child, so they feel so big when they can graduate to stainless steel silverware just like yours. And this is made for your child's sized mouth, but is also very adult-like and kind of has a heaviness to it that feels very grown up for them. So enjoy these special moments with your little one, and I'm so excited to see videos of them setting the table for you.